Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update or install Windows 11 latest version, which is 24H2. So let's begin the video. Before this, please subscribe and like for computer related tutorial video. Okay, first go to your browser, then go to the search menu, then write microsoft.com, then /software -download /Windows 11, then say enter. Then this will appear for you. Then we'll download first Windows 11 installation assistant. So it's important to first download this. So click on this download now. Then here will appear the downloaded file. So open the file. Then after opening this file, you will see this. So click on yes. Then here you see use the PC health checker app to check compatibility. Then we'll go to this get PC health checker app. So click on this. After this, you'll see the file. So open it, the file. You should see this. So here we will accept the terms. Then click on install. Say finish. Then after saying finish, this will take you to this page. It says introducing Windows 11. Let's check if this PC meets system requirement. So say check now. This will check whether our PC meets requirement for Windows 11 24H2. So as you see here, this PC meets the Windows 11 requirement. Then we will go to the previous page by closing this. So as you see here, use the PC health checker app to check compatibility. Then say refresh. Again say accept and install. Then it will start downloading as well as installing. So it may take some time or several times. So be patient. You should wait until this process ends. Then by following the instruction that appear here, you can easily update. Or what if this method fails to update or to install to the latest version? So we are required to use another method. Go to your browser and open it. Then on the search menu, write the same as previous microsoft.com /software -download /Windows 11. Then enter. This will appear as previous. So scroll down and you'll get this download Windows 11 disk image or ISO. Then under that, you will see select download, then expand it, then choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, then click on that. Then here you will see download now, click on that. After this, this will appear or select the product language. So we are going to select the system language. It's important to choose based on your location. So if you are in United States, select English United States, or in other countries like Africa, you can select English United States, or if you are in Great Britain, select English International. So we are going to select English International. So it's important to select based on your location. Then click on confirm. After this, we are going to select 64-byte download. Click here. So after this, our Windows ISO file will start downloading. So it's important to be patient because it will take several hours to be completed, and make sure your connection is fast. Okay, as you see, it's completing. So after completed, click on this file. Then you will see the file is already downloaded. So let's go to the file manager or file explorer. Then go to the downloads, and then we'll find the file. This is the file that we already downloaded. Then right click on the file, then say mount, or click on the mount. This process also may take some time, so be patient until a folder that appear here. So wait until the folder appears. So This is the folder we are waiting for, DVD drive. So here, let's find the setup. Then left double click on it. Then say yes. After this, you'll see this. Install Windows 11. Then next, say next. Getting updates, it says checking for updates, so wait, it will take some time, so you should be also patient. Once the process is loading, sometimes it may disappear like this, so don't be panic. Just go to this area and just click on this button, so this will reappear your program. Okay, then here you can read the terms and then accept. Click on the accept. It will start making sure you are ready to install, so be patient until it finishes. After a few minutes, this will appear, so ready to install. Then you are required to select which app or which file you are going to keep. So click on the change what to keep. Then the first one is keep personal file and apps, and the second one is keep personal file only. The third one is nothing. That means you don't want to keep any file or any application. If you don't want, you can choose nothing, but you should keep personal file and app. It's important to say that. Then click on next. Then wait until this process take place and complete. As you see here, it's making sure you are ready to install. Then this will appear. So after this, it's ready to install. Then click on install. Finally, it starts to installing Windows 11, the latest version 24 H2. So this also may take some hour to be completed, and your PC may tend to restart several times. Then it will welcome you to the Windows 11 new version of 24H2. So this is the new version. Let's check whether it's updated or not. Let's go to setting. Then let's click on the system. Then click on the about. After clicking this, as you see here, our window is updated to the latest version 24H2 Windows 11. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more computer related videos. Thank you for watching.